Hello, my name is Melissa, spokesperson for the Butler County Amateur Radio Public Service Group in Western Pennsylvania. Check out our website, K3PSG.com, King3PapaSierraGolf.com. Today's work party will consist of installing and repairing equipment on our 150-foot tower. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Whatever that means.
Got here and stuff from it. It's a 300-foot self-support with one of those big
there
circle
it
things
goes.
around the top. It's just
A little more.
moving. It's all tied together, and it'll probably be okay as long as the bottom attachment's all right.
Well, that one goes together right in the middle.
Yeah.
Bungee cord.
One in power antenna just for the fiberglass going across the car and the whole thing there.
Stuff A and stuff like that, 4H bar. The whole gene full of last year we bought a couple gallons of cider from him and froze it. Yeah. Oh, it worked. Is he going to have it this year? Cider? Yeah.
It's going up better than I thought it
Apple.
was.
Yeah. Well,
Now that the wind has quit a little bit.
They make apple butter and applesauce and crap homemade. And they said that it's going to be a real good year for apple butter because
I'll grab onto the cable whenever there's enough, whenever it's good.
Motorola latest and greatest. Can you pick up oh yeah, I go. I carry with me the ambulance vehicle. I carry from one to everybody. It's great. It works great.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, and
like direct attachment.
yeah, and
Okay.
and then port 80 for a monitor program that's on it. But it does what I'm saying. These are the ports that it
Yeah.
needs on the inside: 22, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 80. They can
Yeah.
be anything on the outside.
Okay. Yeah, I was gonna ask, can we shift it to something else external?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
I'm putting double ties on all my stuff. This noise one, the other
A lot of people I've seen use like
I used to do that. I just probably should do it again. Because on top of my car, my dipole.
Trump hat. Almost strap ties too.
What do you call that?
Rest break.
I don't need you.
Yeah, that's a heck of a lot better than we had last time.
It was minus...
We were neg 80 before, and now we're 65, 64. About the same. We're neg 65 right now. Are you able to move it a little bit more to the right, or is it at its limit?
It's at its limit to the right.
Okay. Can you turn it to the left? I want to see if it goes up or down. That went down significantly, so I guess we're all the way to the right as far as you can go. Yeah.
How now?
Yeah, about the same as where we started. Looks pretty good. Nig 65 on receive. Let's try. So azimuth, it seems as good as we're gonna get. Let's try elevation. I don't know. Pick a direction. If you want to go up, we'll go that way and see where it goes. Should be able to crank down and tighten up the clamps, so we're good on azimuth. Well, that came in better than last time. We weren't messing around with it for an hour. And stable too.
Okay, what do you want me to do? It's sitting at 0 right now.
Try going up just a hair. It's not going to take a lot of movement. Okay, that dropped. Oh, that dropped a lot. We went about 10 dB out now. We're neg 74 right now. How many degrees are you? I mean, it's hard to tell, but you went up a little bit, right? The degree marker on the side of it.
Actually, 1 division down.
Okay, try just a hair above 0. Go up just a hair above 0.
That's a hair above 0.
Okay, we're neg 66 right now. The best I saw was 65, so we're just about there. Try going back to 0, because it was pretty close.
Is that a good dink or a bad dink?
It's an indifferent dink. Yeah. Okay, let me connect this guy here. Does anybody have an HT with them?
Yes, I do.
Can you try see if you can key up 300 with no tone or anything?
No time?
Yeah.
Okay, that's no time.
See, go ahead and talk.
K3PSG testing.
Now that the work is complete, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.